Hello everyone. I'm Sayuj. I'll be the instructor for this webinar. So we'll discuss about Selenium job opportunities in USA. So these are the recommended job sites like Simply Hired, LinkedIn, Indeed, Recruit, .NET, Dice, etc. So this is the number of people hired over a period of time. This is a salary range and best salary comparisons for various roles. You can see here this is test quality assurance engineer in computer software. This is from 264 salaries they have created an aggregate like how much dollars this comes in this is for 64k dollars. This is for senior QA this is up to $96,000, and here this is again they have taken an aggregate from 213 salaries. And here we have this is for the senior quality test engineer for more experience, and this is like $93,767. And here this is quality assurance test automation engineer. These are the various roles. And here quality assurance engineer here, and this is for 100 salaries, average 69,000 something dollars. And software development engineer under test $84,000, automation engineer $72,734. So these are the salary ranges available, right? And here again, as we discussed, this depends upon the nature of the company, like whether it is a startup or service-based company or product-based companies, and whether you are from which academic institutes, and whether the campus placements are available there, or whether you are from Stanford, Harvard, or Columbia University, or any reputed college, or a normal college. So that hugely impacts. And also you have the skill set. That skill set is the main thing. Even if you are from a normal college, if you are enormously skilled and you perform well in interview, you will obviously get a good pay. And based on the years of experience, also the salary range changes, and job locations may be like San Jose, San Francisco, New York, Washington, etc. These are the ranges here, like fresher 0 to 1 year experience in this range, that is $30,000 to $70,000. Tester 2 to 3 years experience, 35,000 to 90,000. Senior tester 60,000 to 1 lakh, and test lead 70,000 to 1,20,000, and test manager 90,000 to 1,80,000. Right. So this is an overall salary comparison based on the roles, salary range, and best salary. And if you observe in this slide, you can see that this is the global growth rate of the software testing entirely in global market. So you can see the global software testing service market size by 2022. It is growing at an average rate of 15% between 2018 to 2022. This is for mobile application testing, that again comes under Selenium. APM is also there, right? APM is also coming under Selenium. So in that, this growth market is around 12.7% CAGR. So this is also a promising role, like APM test, mobile application test engineer. That again comes like under Selenium. That is also similar to Selenium in APM. And global automation testing market is expected to grow from 6.6 billion euros in 2018 to 14.8 billion euros by 2023. And here the average growth rate is like 17.7. So this is a growth over 5 years they have recorded. So you can see how much demanding the job is. Again, coming to the same thing, like here also, when you are a fresher in US, you just need to do, you need to choose the right institute for training, get the appropriate certifications, and you need to identify which companies pay well, which are good for your career. You need to have a good work-life balance, and all these factors affect much, right? The reputation of the organization, all these things. So we need to target on the high-paying jobs like the automation roles, target on high-paying companies like top product-based MNCs. And coming to as your experience, you need to analyze your experience salary in the same thing that I have discussed. Like you need to just analyze it with your counterparts, whether how much they are getting paid, and you can just compare how much you are getting, whether you are underpaid or what is it, your company is paying better. So choose another company. Likewise, you can do the job switch. So you can use referral schemes as I already discussed, and you need to optimize your resume and update your LinkedIn profile in such a way to optimize your best skill that is in demand. For example, BDD tools, behavior driven development tools, that is a methodology, software development methodology. So in Selenium also BDD is also one of the part. When you become experienced, you will learn that or else if you join a good course, like they'll be including BDDs like BDD tools. It is JBehave, Cucumber, Serenity. These are the famous BDD tools. If you are aware of those things, that is an add plus. And also Scrum experience, whether you have worked in agile environment, that matters really. So if you have worked closely with your Scrum manager and all, you can highlight that in your profile. That highly creates an impact. So if you have an expertise in APM, like mobile application testing, or any domain you are familiar with, for example, you have worked a lot in finance sector or banking domain or insurance domain or some other automotive domain, you have that domain knowledge, right? Or apart from that testing knowledge, that will be an added advantage when you become experienced. So you need to focus on that. I am going to give a quick introduction to Selenium. This is for freshers perspective. For freshers who are not aware of Selenium, I'll give a brief introduction. First of all, what is Selenium? So Selenium, most of you would have heard about Selenium since it is a popular automation testing tool and it is highly in demand in current industry standards. So Selenium is an open source web-based automation tool and it enables user to automate the browsers. So Selenium can be combined with JUnit or TestNG to perform the testing. So Selenium basically lets you to automate the browser. So it just gives you a grip of the browser so that you can perform whatever user is performing. For example, user is opening a browser and user is entering a URL and clicking on that URL, he is going to navigate to a website. So all these things, whatever a human is performing on the GUI or on that browser, all these things the software will perform. So Selenium will perform all these operations. And coming to the features of Selenium, it is open source and free. It supports multiple browsers and multiple operating systems. It supports multiple languages. It can be used with so many external tools or frameworks. All these things are features of Selenium. Now, coming to the types of testing that Selenium is supporting, that is, the Selenium supports a lot of testing ways, like various types of testing. One of it is called core functional testing, where you test the basic functionality of the application. GUI testing is nothing but the graphical user interface or a website's form or the visual GUI that you want to test. And DB testing is something like you are going to test this in the database. You want to check whether the database is functioning properly for your application or not. And we have usability testing, regression testing, sanity testing, cross-browser testing, edge-to-edge, end-to-end testing, all these kind of testings. So this regression testing and sanity testing comes in the developmental phases when the release of the software is about to there. You will be having a series of tests when various builds are being done. So we perform regression tests. So sanity test is nothing but suppose you have a software and you have added some features to the software towards the end. So in your new build, there will be some new features added to the software, right? So it will be again given to the testing team to test. You need not test all the software again and again. So what you need to do is you just need to check whether the basic features or the essential core functionalities of the application is functioning properly or not. So that is called sanity testing. Okay. So coming to our topic, like this is the reason why we would recommend you to learn Selenium if you are looking for a job. So you can see here, this is the entire market share of the software testing tools. You can see Selenium's market share is 28.36 as you can see here. And here, these are the other products market share and all the other major tools. This is for HP Quality Center. This is for Apache JMeter. This is for HP Unified Functional Testing tool, that is QTP. This is licensed by HP. This UFT was previously known as QTP. So this is the market share of Selenium. This is the domain-wise or various domain-wise how much it is being used in various domains. Selenium, how much it is used in various domains. So this is the market share in computer software in general. This is information technology and services. You call a service-based company. There they use almost this much share in Selenium. This is their entire testing or entire infrastructure. Out of that, how much share this Selenium holds. This is for staffing and recruiting or HR kind of industries. This one. and this is for hospital and healthcare. This for financial services. This for internet, retail, computer hardware, insurance, management. So the brief from this slide is like it is Selenium can be applied in wide variety of markets. That is the brief of this. So why there is huge demand for Selenium jobs? So one of the thing is because because of the features that Selenium offers and the flexibility that Selenium has to enable testing, right? And also based on huge demand of automation, then there is Selenium version 4 that is upcoming, and it is in beta stages right as of now. So it is more promising with more features, and we have the salaries or promising career path is obviously one reason, right? So this is about a brief introduction of Selenium.